Herr Foods is a family-owned company that manufactures and distributes all of our own products. At Herr Foods, we believe that safety is a value. What we impress upon all of our employees is the difference between a value and a priority. Values don't change day in and day out, and that's exactly what we want safety to be. So prior to partnering with Nauto, we had a very big issue with distracted driving. And it's something we wanted to focus on as a company, as a fleet. But also, in addition to that, we wanted to find a piece that would complement our decision driving training that we give all our drivers. That would allow us to reduce the accidents as well as reduce the incidents and distracted driving events that we would see. The existing solution we had didn't allow us to be proactive. It was a technology that only caught events after they happened. We were looking for an opportunity to get out in front of our safety issues, and bringing Nauto in allowed us to be proactive with the technology, the AI that they offer. Nauto's predictive AI technology helps our drivers with providing them a virtual in-cab coach. The ability to be alerted to distractions early on so that behavior can be corrected is something that has been invaluable to us. Nauto's predictive AI technology helps our fleet's management by recognizing our top performers and encouraging those safe behaviors, but also allows us to come alongside the drivers that need the help, the areas of opportunity. It's a way for managers to work with their drivers real time using the dashboard to discuss things that are working for them and things that aren't. Since the full implementation of Nauto, we've seen a drastic reduction in both our preventable vehicle accidents and our incidents. We've realized a 44% improvement year over year from 2018 in our accidents and 27% in our incidents. I would recommend Nauto to any fleet that is looking to improve their safety. The ability to have, again, that onboard coach has been something that's allowed us to be extremely successful in reducing the safety numbers that we look to do year over year.